I've never been much of a trendsetter, and I've also never been so much of a trend follower. This is the story of my traumatic childhood. But I am becoming a trend follower. I have been eyeing up the Hobonichi for about a year now, and I was like, if I still want it in a year, then I'll be allowed to buy one. So I bought one. So welcome to my Hobonichi journey. Don't worry, this isn't all of a sudden gonna become like some kind of planner journal channel, because knowing myself, it's all gonna be very non-aesthetic, and I'm just gonna use it as my planner system, and my planner system is not aesthetic. I'm going to be replacing this very well-loved bullet journal that I've been using since 2018. So yes, trust me to now invest in a system where I have to spend loads of money every year instead of spending 10 quid once every 4 years. But never mind. One covets the Hobonichi, one does. They got some great marketing, and it's not even them that's doing the marketing, it's everybody who's getting obsessed about it, and I'm just playing straight into their hands. I am just a tool of capitalism, but a happy tool. If I waited until the noise was gone, I would never vlog. Crinkly plastic. Oh, it's so big. It's funny because I'm so used to this size, which is A5, and this is also A5, and yet it just feels really big. I went for the A5 day free because I wanted to transition in a very smooth way from my A5 bullet journal, and I didn't want to go for something super different because I was afraid that if I did, I might end up not liking it because it's too different. So I wanted to kind of ease myself into the Hobonichi system by going for something that was quite similar to what I have been used to for the last 4 years. 4, right? 18, 19, 20, 21, yeah, nearly 4 years. Who was talking to the camera for 2 minutes and then realized it was switched off? Okay, as I was already saying, but it wasn't recording, apart from being a slave to capitalism and wanting all the shiny things, one of the reasons that I wanted to try the Hobonichi is because I have heard such great things about the paper. So I was just leafing through this, and it's so thin. The paper, you think, oh, that's a page, and it's oh no, that's actually 2 pages. It's really thin, but apparently it stands up really well to inks and even some kind of watercolory things you can throw at it. It shouldn't have too much bleed through, so I'm really curious about that. My current bullet journal, which is from Paper Chase, is, it's perfectly adequate, but the paper is not great, and if I do anything that has any kind of water in it, there's quite a lot of bleed through to the next page. And then also you get this kind of thing where sometimes when you add water, the paper just goes all weird and grey and with little dots and stuff. So I don't know, I'm sure you know what I mean if you've experienced it too. So I'm excited about that. So I've just been unwrapping this. I was excited about these, the 2 little page marker things. I have to say, I didn't realize this was gonna be so synthetic. I guess I thought it was just gonna be fake leather, to be honest, or like a smooth thing rather than a fabric-y thing. I don't know if the pictures just didn't really show that that was the case. I got myself this because I was thinking if I get the black one, I can put stickers on it, and I can either put stickers on this or I can put stickers on the outside. I don't know. Obviously, my current planner has got a ton of stickers on there, and it's a nice representation of my personality, rainbows and goth stuff. So I have a similar plan for this one, but I'll have to see what I'm gonna put on there. I've been saving some of my buy bun stickers I've also obviously got my own stickers, and then my coaching client Tamara sent me some stickers of her art. So I have got a good number of things that I can put on there. If you're a Hobonichi fan or like a recent convert like me, well, I don't know if I'm a convert yet, I haven't started using it yet, but let me know what you think. I'd be curious to know. Obviously it's only September, so I'm not going to start using it yet. I think I'm going to start using it from about December, but before that time I might do some prepping, and I will probably make some videos over on my Patreon. Chatty videos going through what I'm doing in there. Right, what's next? This morning my kids were talking about the Rosetta Stone, and I was like, why don't we go and look at the Rosetta Stone? I love living in London, so this afternoon I'm gonna pick them up from school, and then afterwards we're gonna go and have a look at the Rosetta Stone, because, you know, we can just like drop into our local museum and look at ancient history. I'll see if I can record a little bit of footage of the Rosetta Stone. I mean, like, it feels crazy that we can just go and look at that. But we can. Well, as long as there's not too many people in front, because it's usually really, really busy. It's like, the British Museum is like loads of stuff where there's like no people, and then there's like the one or two things that is rammed. But because of COVID, they require you to get tickets in advance. So hopefully that will help in it not being too busy. So yeah, that'll be fun. In the meantime, I realize I haven't vlogged in forever. That's basically because, I don't know, like stuff's been a bit boring. Like I've been working really loads, but it just hasn't been vlog worthy, it felt like. Let me just give you a quick update about, see, I can't consult my head for this update. I have to like consult my planner because I don't even know what I'm doing. Right, so the last few weeks I've been, since being back from holiday, I've just been really busy with life book stuff. So life book stuff in terms of teaching on the current year, 2021. My lesson is going to be live later this month, which I'm very excited about. And then I've also been busy with the marketing of Lifebook 2022, because I am again teaching on Lifebook, and we're currently running like a taster session. Right now it's the marketing period for the taster session, and the taster sessions are going to kick off on the 27th of September. That's been quite busy. Like there's quite a lot of things that I needed to do in terms of like promotion and in terms of like creating actual content. For my taster session, I created these cute worry stones out of polymer clay, and that is what I filmed myself doing and like instructing you how to do that. So that will be a free session that you can sign up for. So it's free, you don't have to pay, but you do have to sign up to the taster sessions with your email so that you can access the sessions. And my session is going to be live on the 30th of September, so I'm really excited about that. And I just need to like write some emails and to let people know, like post stuff on social media to let people know about that. Oh yeah, another thing that is really exciting is I got this new dress. I found it on Depop and I was like, oh, I must have it. It has like flowers on it, but it's got smiley flowers and it's also got grumpy flowers. I can't find any of the grumpy ones. Oh yeah, there's one. There's a grumpy flower. So I was like, oh, this dress is such a mood, yo. I really need it. So that was really cool. Let's see, what else am I working on? Oh, I wanted to actually say just a little quick kind of Patreon update. When I first started Patreon, it was so, like, it was really overwhelming. It was so much work. And I feel like I've kind of settled into a rhythm where it is like definitely part of my life and I spend a fair amount of time on it, but it doesn't feel like it's taking over everything and that I don't have time to do other things. And that's exactly what I wanted it to kind of settle into, so that it's something that I am doing for my patrons, that I am doing for my kind of art and teaching career, but that it also leaves me enough time to be doing my day job, obviously, and also my kind of art for myself. So it's kind of settling into that rhythm, and I'm really happy about that. So that's really cool. And that also kind of frees up my brain space for creativity, like both creativity, creating content for Patreon, like creating outside of the kind of the things, the markers that I have to hit. And so it feels like a nice bit of kind of freedom, which is nice. Oh, I'm gonna be working on a shop update. I think I mentioned that in the last vlog. I am actually currently working on it. So I've got like a list of things that I want to be putting in the shop update. I have closed my shop for now, so if you went there right now, it would just have like a holding page saying I'm working on a shop update, so that I can start listing all of the items. So it's going to be tote bags, both the hand painted ones, like these ones, of which I have got 4. And I do expect those to go quite quickly. And then the no issue tote bags with the faces design on it, they will be listed. I will be listing loads of mini paintings, like really small framed ones and slightly bigger unframed ones, and they will all be super affordable. So if you have wanted to own a little bit of my original art, it will be a really good opportunity. And then the biggest thing that I haven't done yet that needs to be part of this shop update is new stickers, and I legit haven't even thought about what I want to do. It will probably be based on existing original artwork, but I haven't yet decided about die cut or sticker sheets and how I'm gonna do the packaging and stuff like that. So I have definitely got that on my list of things to do in this week, really. Geez, at the end of this week, it's already the 19th of September. That's time. Right, I'm gonna stop yakking now because I have done loads of that. I am going to do some work. I'll talk to you later. Hello. I've been editing this vlog. Oh, I don't look great. Editing face of this work face. I think when you film yourself a lot, you really have to like not feel embarrassed anymore about just your own face. I wanted to say thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you will sign up to the Lifebook Taster sessions if you haven't already. I keep looking there. The camera's there. Sorry. I hope you will sign up to the Lifebook Taster sessions if that is something that you are interested in. I will leave the link below in the description. If you want to sign up for Lifebook, if you do that through my link, I would be super grateful forever and ever. Thanks for watching. I already said that, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!